In this guide, you'll learn a simple and effective way to fix a common issue: missing menu bars and toolbars in your software. Sometimes, for various reasons, your menu bar or toolbars might disappear, leaving you wondering how to bring them back. Whether it's a technical glitch or an accidental change in settings, restoring these essential tools is usually quite straightforward. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, let's focus on bringing back the menu bar. At the top of your screen, you'll want to look for an icon. This icon is distinctive. It resembles a horizontal line with a small triangle pointing downward. This is your drop-down menu access. Clicking on it will reveal a handy menu, where you'll see the option labeled Show Menu Bar. By selecting this, your menu bar should immediately reappear, giving you easy access to essential commands and utilities that you need for a smooth workflow. Now, let's turn our attention to the toolbar or ribbon. Sometimes referred to as the ribbon, this tool lineup can also go missing. But don't worry, all you need to do is head over to your command line window. If you're unfamiliar, the command line is where you type specific instructions for your software. Once there, type the word ribbon and hit the Enter key. This simple command should prompt the appearance of your toolbar or ribbon right away.